Jai Srimanarayana. 19th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tanaham dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman क्षिपामि अजस्रम् अशुभान् आसुरीषु एव योनिषु ॐ Realize and remember this fact that if you hate Sri Krishna Paramatma, you will be thrown into the bodies which will go into the cycle of birth and death forever. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall never hate you. I shall keep on inculcating dedication and devotion towards you. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातराजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्म सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma and all other devatas went to Paramatma's divine abode and praying like this, Bhagavan, only with your the divine strength this entire cycle of birth and death is revolving, and to this chakram, to this wheel of birth and death, samsara chakram, there is a rim that is sattvagunam, rajogunam, tamogunam. And 10 indriyas, all other activities, the movements because of the air moving in the body. All these are leaves of this wheel of samsara. Vidyuchalam, this wheel of birth and death revolves in a very, very high velocity, the more faster than the lightning. And for this entire samsara chakram, your sankalpam is the main reason, main base. Panchabhutas, manas, buddhi, ahankaram, all these are the top cover for this entire wheel of samsara. Oh Paramatma, you are the main support of this samsara chakram. Tam ritam prapadye ayam, we are surrendering to you. Bhagavan, you are an embodiment of sattva gunam. You are beyond this prakriti mandalam. And for all of us, for those who are in this samsaram, alokam, you are not seen. For all the sensory organs, avyaktam, you are not perceivable. And you have such a great amount of glow, more than the gold. And you have no limits. Bhagavan, all the great enlightened people are visualizing you sitting on your Garuda Vahanam. They are visualizing and they are meditating. Hey Bhagavan, how much ever jnanam people have, they can never cross your maya with their own efforts. Oh Paramatma, you have always an equal vision among all living beings. Such, O Paramatma, namama bhuteshu samam charantam, we are surrendering to you. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma and all other devatas praying Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasyatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 19th sloka. Tanaham dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman kshipami ajasrama subhan asurishveva yonishu. Tanaham dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman kshipamyajasrama subhan asurishveva yonishu. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.